In this video, you'll learn how to effectively sell items on eBay. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to analyze successful listings, replicate effective elements, and price your items competitively to attract buyers. Begin by analyzing completed listings of similar products. To do this, navigate to eBay's search bar and enter relevant keywords for the items you plan to sell. Once the results load, use the filters on the left side of the screen to select sold items. This will show you listings that have successfully sold, allowing you to observe their pricing, keywords used in the titles, and overall presentation style. After you've reviewed these completed listings, take note of the common traits among the most successful ones. Pay attention to the format of the titles, the specific item details that sellers included, and the quality of the images used. This information will be crucial in helping you create an appealing listing that stands out. Remember to keep your own listing unique and honest, as authenticity is vital for buyer trust. Next, it's time to replicate the winning elements you've identified. Start by crafting your title using similar formatting and relevant keywords that you found in successful listings. When creating your listing, ensure you include comprehensive item specifics, such as brand, model, size, and condition. Use high-quality images that clearly showcase your item from multiple angles. This not only enhances the attractiveness of your listing, but also provides potential buyers with the information they need to make a purchase decision. Once your listing is prepared, it is essential to price your item competitively. Consider the demand for the item and the prices of similar listings you analyzed earlier. Setting your price too high may deter buyers, while pricing it too low may undervalue your item. Striking a balance based on competition and market demand will increase the likelihood of a successful sale. Additionally, be mindful of eBay fees and shipping costs when determining your final price. Finally, ensure that your listing is published and monitor its performance. Keep an eye on the views and watch counts, and be ready to adjust your pricing or details if necessary. If your item does not sell within a reasonable time frame, consider revising the title or images to better catch the attention of potential buyers. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.